You put it inside. Then, exquisite. This is exotic food. Yeah. So you don't wash your hands? Can you taste it? Can you eat it? And then you put it back. Okay, you taste it and we will pay you. Okay? I'll do it for you. Yeah. Okay, you break it, right? Yeah. Then I get this one. Diyos ko, patignan niyo mga kaibigan. Okay. Paano kumain dito? Okay. Di pa po ako naguhugis ng kamay. Tapos, isasaw-saw ko rito. Ayan, very nice. Oh, you eat it. I'll pay you. You eat it. Okay. Eat it. Chew it. Chew. You chew it. Yeah. Very good. Okay, now I ask you, how does my hand taste? Can I also? Me also. Okay. Me also. This hand naman, you have to taste. Yeah. Okay. I'll do it for you. Yan ha? Ngayon naman po, titikman niya ang kamay ni Ariel. No. Yan ha? And then you will put the sauce inside. Yan. Very good. Okay, and then you taste it. For you. Come on, eat it. Chow. Yummy. Anong lasa, pare? Parang di ko nalasahan, pare. Isa pa. Hey, Govin, we've been looking for you because we want to know about this dish. Okay, yan po, gagawin niya po kung paano po kainin to, exotic food. Dinulong po ng kamay. Lagyan po ng palaman. Okay, sweet and sour soup. There, uy. And then we eat it. And then, yan. And then, we'll go it. Okay, the Govin, eat it. Eat it, Govin. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's no tissue paper, so just in case. Oh yeah, you tissue. Tissue paper dito. Okay, ibang klase po, atmosphere po rito, medyo spicy. Well, actually, pinupuyog po kami rito, mga kaibigan. Actually, dito pang original na New Year's Eve. Yes. Kaya nagpuputo ka, many fireworks. Yes, you don't need fireworks.
Okay ba? Bro, parang bitin ako. Dessert naman kaya?
Okay, Govin, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, hi, Govin.
We all are thirsty. I'm feeling a bit hot.
Well, yes.
Very lovely.
Another exotic Nepali food. Okay, you made one for us. Okay, so how do you make this ice cream? Can you make one ice cream?
Ice cream banana po. Ice cream banana.
Okay, ginagawa po mga kaibigan yung ice cream po dito. Nakita nyo, ayan po. Nahugot, nagkamali, kumuha, dumukot ng isang ice cream ulit na hindi hinugasan ng kamay. Ayun. At binanlawan. Kabila. Ayan, buo. Malaki-laki to. Tinusok na stick. And then, anong gagawin niya? Ayan. Yun, kinalog. Wow, masarap yan. Okay, once again everybody, yummy? Yummy! Well, mga kaibigan, din nyo na po na itanong, ito po yung pinatigas pa sa Mount Everest Food! Okay, so, Govin, taste it again for us. How does it taste?
This is the ice cream from Mount Everest, and they are all very thirsty.
Ooh!
Very yummy, very tasty.
Can I lick some?
Sure.
Next time. Wow! Yummy, everybody!
Okay, so, pwede na tayong rumampa. Kaso walang nightlife dito eh. Pero para sa mga party people in Nepal, di problema ang venue.
Govin, what's happening here?
Oh, this is the devotional singing and dancing program for the Lord Krishna.
In short, mga kaibigan, ito po yung mga sayaw alay din kay Hari Krishna. So, can you dance with us?
We all can be the part of this dancing and singing.
So, can we dance then?
Sure.
Okay, come on, let's dance. So, party people, let's check it out. Okay, so ito po mga kaibigan, medyo kasama na po namin mga party people dito. Party people! So, DJ, drop it! Medyo inuhuli na po kami mga kaibigan. No,
more?
Ayan, medyo may kaguluhan.
May kaguluhan lang po konti.
Sila po nagpaumpisa nito, hindi po kami. Sila po, nakikiparty lang kami.
Uy, nakikiparty lang kami.
Nakikiparty lang kami dito.
Okay.
Tama na. Party!
Sir, ito may pasimuno. This one. This guy, yeah.
Kilalanin natin Pilipino.